Hi all, welcome to ZabiCore channel. So in this video we'll discuss how we can create the Snowflake account and how we can set up the Snowflake account. So to create this account we can open any one of the browser and we can type the Snowflake login. So to create your Snowflake account you have to open the first link. I'll also give this link in the description box, so you can also use that link to create your Snowflake account. So once you click on this first link it will open the login page. So in the login page, so we can also log in into Snowflake platform and we can also create the new account. So right now we are creating one new account. You have to click on the sign up button. So once we create the Snowflake account successfully, I'll also show you how we can log in into Snowflake account. So right now we are creating one new account. We can click on the sign up button. It will open the sign up page. So here it will ask some basic details like first name, last name, work mail ID. So work mail ID, we can enter our Gmail ID to create the Snowflake account. So let's enter the first name and last name and work mail ID. So work mail ID you have to enter correct mail ID. Why? Because it will send one verification mail to your Gmail ID. So you have to enter the correct mail ID here. Why are you signing up? We can select here learning and development purpose. We are creating this Snowflake account. So let's continue. So company name you can also give your name also, it's fine. And job title we can give developer here. So enterprise edition, so by default it will select the enterprise edition. So in the enterprise edition we can get the most of the features we can use in the enterprise edition. If you select the standard edition, we'll get the limited features in the standard edition. We also have the business critical, so depends on your requirement we can select the editions here. So right now I'll select this enterprise edition. So here we need to select any one of the cloud provider. So all our data will be stored in the any one of the cloud provider. So I'll select the AWS and let's check this one and let's create it. So it will ask some basic questions. We can also skip these questions or else we can also answer these questions. It is not mandatory. So let's select any one all these features. Okay, it is not necessary. We can also skip these questions. Okay, so it will send one verification mail to this mail ID. So we need to activate our account. Okay, let's open our Gmail ID. Let's verify. See, we received the activation link. So link to activate. So here you have to enter your username, password. Okay, password should be here 14 characters. We have to enter 14 character password. It will accept. So let's enter here username and the password. Continue. So it will create username and password and will also receive one account identifier. So that is very important. Okay, using that account identifier only we can log in into our Snowflake account. Okay, so this is the Snowflake user interface and we also call this as a snow site, and we receive here 400 credits and 30 days free trial account. All these features we can discuss one by one in upcoming videos. So I'll show you now how we can log in into our account. Okay, so let's open any one of the incognito mode. Let's type here Snowflake login and we have to click on the first link. So here it will ask the account identifier. So how we can get this account identifier? So they will send one welcome mail. So in that welcome mail we can find the account identifier. So let's open our mail. So here we can see here we have one link. So in this link we have account identifier also. So this is our account identifier. So whatever I selected here before this dot and after this slash slash, so this is your account identifier. So copy this account identifier and you have to paste it here. So let's sign in. So it will ask username and password. So you have to enter your username and password. So let's enter here. So what is our username? JB. Let's sign in. So this is the Snowflake user interface. So we can also change here appearance to system or dark modes. I always prefer the light mode. And here we can see lot of options we have. So I'll do separate videos on each and every options we have in the Snowflake, and we'll also create one project from the scratch. Okay, from the scratch to one advanced level, we can also use the Power BI dashboards. So if you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to ZabiCore channel. Thank you.